Hey folks, this is Joe from Smoky Joe's Barbecue. Today we're going to smoke a pork loin ribeye roast, and we're going to be using heavily made products, Richard's River Dirt. We're going to start off with the all-purpose seasoning first as a prelim, and then we're going to use the main rub. It's hot and spicy, but also Richard's River Dirt. So let's get rubbing this down here. I've never used this before. From what I understand, it is outstanding. And I'll leave the website underneath, show more, and you can look it up, and if you'd like to order it, you can. But I'm gonna tell you something, I've had all their products they've got, and they've got some unbelievable stuff. It's incredible, all kinds of stuff, guys. Really awesome stuff. The best rubs I've ever tried. You don't want to rub this in, you want to pat this in. And I've tasted this before I put this on, so you got to kind of watch the all-purpose. It tastes a little salty to me, so maybe you ought to watch that if you're not a real big salt eater. This is not a real big piece of meat, but it's good enough for what we're going to be doing for it. We're going to be making some sandwiches tonight, and I'll get with you back on that on what we're going to be putting on it. Okay, let's get the hot and spicy now. Oh wow, that's got a different granular to it there. Kind of, wow, I like that. Kind of a lot thicker rub.
More coarse.
Yeah, more coarse, definitely more coarse. I like that. I can't wait to try this, guys. I understand this is just really, really good stuff. I talked to one of my fellow YouTuber about this, and he did some ribs with this, and I'll tell you what, he said, you have got to try it. So we're gonna try it. Okay, guys, it's pretty much done here. What we're gonna do is, next time you see me, you're gonna be putting this out on the grill, out on the smoker actually, and we'll get back to you in a few minutes. Talk to you in a few. Okay, guys, we're out at the smoker now. We're gonna put our pork loin roast on. I tell you what, guys, it's cold out here today. It's in the 20s in Tennessee here. We got snow on the ground. Now this pork loin roast will take about anywhere from about 2 to 2.5 hours because it's a smaller one. We didn't want to get a real big one because this is gonna be my wife and I eating it. So you can buy them, you know, they're not much bigger than this though. That's about 3 pounds, and they usually come anywhere from 3 to 5 pounds. I tell you what, next time we see you, we'll be spritzing it down with a little bit of apple juice. So we'll see you in a few. Hey folks, we're back out in the smoker. I'm just gonna give this pork roast a spritz. It's moist enough, but I'm still gonna spritz it a little bit with a little bit of apple juice. And you're probably wondering why this chicken's on here. Well, my daughter asked me to cook this for her, so I went ahead and did it. I'm also gonna spritz her chicken real quick for her. So look at the color that River Richard's Dirt gives that thing. It's awesome. Okay, we'll be back out in a few seconds. You guys are back out in the smoker. I've reached 145 degrees on this pork loin roast, and I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this thing for the rest of the cook. And we're going to put in some aluminum foil here, and we're going to put some apple juice on it. It's moist as heck, as you can see. I mean, this is unbelievable. I know that thing will be super tender. It's probably got about another, oh, I would say a good half an hour to maybe about a half an hour more. Okay, well, here, I'll go ahead and spritz my daughter's chicken. Look at the color on that thing. Wow. Okay, we'll catch you back in a few. Okay, guys, we pulled our pork loin roast off the smoker about a half hour ago, let it rest for about a good half hour, and I'm gonna cut some slices off this thing. This thing turned out really nice. The juices in the foil were unbelievable. But I'm gonna cut some real thin slices for our sandwiches tonight. Look, I just want you to, before I go any further, I just want you to see the smoke ring that came off that pork. Look at that. It's a good 1/4 inch all the way around it. And that Richard's River Dirt is unbelievable. I had just a little teeny sample before I went on air. And I'm telling you what, that stuff is awesome. Wow, so tender. Okay, guys, I'm not gonna bore you with cutting the rest of this up. We're gonna get the rest of this cut, and I'll get back with you. We're gonna plate up put our sandwich together, plate it up, and start eating because I can't wait. It smells like a restaurant here. See you in a few. Okay, guys, we're gonna put our sandwich together here, our pork loin roast, and we made a aioli sauce, a fresh aioli sauce for it. It's got mayonnaise, finely chopped garlic. It's got lemon and olive oil in it, and it's homemade. Okay, we're gonna put it on our bread. I put my finger in this a little while ago, guys, and I'm telling you what, it is outstanding. You have got to make this. I will put it under show more or get a recipe for it. Okay. All right, now we're gonna put our lettuce down. Okay, and then our tomatoes. We roasted these tomatoes in the ovens, guys, and they're falling apart on me a little bit, but that's all right. They're still gonna be really good. I mean, that's how tender they are. Oh my God, if you could smell this, you wouldn't even believe it. The smell is incredible. Okay. Now, this is our pork loin roast. I shaved it nice and thin, cut it nice and thin. We'll put this on here. I'm telling you what, that Rich's River dirt, I took a piece of this earlier. Oh my gosh, you guys have got to get it. I'll also have that down in the link where to get it. Okay. Now, we also caramelized some onions with some butter and olive oil, salt and pepper. We put those on top of the meat here. Oh wow, you guys can smell this. Wow. I can't wait to bite into that. Okay. Now, we're gonna get a little bit more aioli sauce and drizzle over top of this, if I can get it to drizzle right. Once it drizzle right, I'll smooth it on top of there. Let me take this little thing right here and we'll just kind of smooth it out a little bit. Put our top on this. You guys, there you have it. That looks delicious. We'll be back with you in just a few minutes, and we're gonna plate this up with the rest of the stuff we cooked tonight. We'll see you in just a few. I want to tell you today, we used the Weber Smokey Mountain, and we used pecan wood today for our cook. Just want to let you all know that. And if you all don't have a Weber Smokey Mountain, you need to get one, because I'll tell you what, I maintained 250 almost for 4 hours, and that's unusual, especially with 20-degree temperature we had today. So just want to let you know that. Hey guys, we plated this up. Just wanted you to take a look at it. This sandwich also is on onion ciabatta bread, which is awesome bread. We fixed a homemade potato salad and some homemade asparagus. We did it our little way, put fresh garlic, salt, pepper, olive oil, and butter. And without any further ado, guys, I gotta take a bite of this sandwich. I don't know if it's not gonna fall apart on me. It's so big. We're gonna get into this. Oh my gosh. Man. Let me tell you what I pick up on that sandwich. That Rich's River dirt is awesome on that stuff. You've got to get some. I'll have the link like I told you down in show more. But the caramelized onions and that lettuce and that roasted tomatoes, oh my gosh, you've got to try that. I'm telling you, you've got to try that. It's that good. I mean, that is awesome. And that aioli sauce made it. You got to try it, guys. Okay, that's all we have for you tonight. I appreciate it if you'd smash that like button. And also, I appreciate if you subscribe to me. That'd be helpful. And also, there's a notification bell of my new uploads of my videos. Click on that, and you'll see the new uploads. And guys, if you ain't grilling, you ain't a chillin'. God bless you, everybody.